Okay, Janet, let me just show you. I think this is what you want. So we have this document in Excel. So right now it's by the course ID. It's in alphabetical order. So then if you want to find out what their alternate is, you're going to click into this column, just on, not where the heading is, but where the actual data is. And you're going to go to Data and Sort A to Z. And that now puts this column in alphabetical order. And then I want to go now to this column and sort. And so that puts this third column in alphabetical order, which will give you their third choice. And then here's each column. So I think that's what you were telling me you want to do. If that's not correct, please let me know. And I will find out exactly what it is you want to do if this is incorrect. Thanks. Have a great day.